So when the medical school decided to cancel the clinical rotations, which we absolutely understand it was the right choice, it still left med students feeling a little bit helpless.
I thought, what can I do to directly impact these providers and pay my respects and show them how much I care because I can't be there on the front line beside them anymore. And so I thought, what a better idea than providing childcare and pet care for them. I have a very small Twitter account. I had 70 followers at the time. And, I mean, within hours, it was just getting like after like. I was getting incredible responses from physicians, nurses, and even people in the community who just somehow saw my tweet.
I've gotten like 4 or 5 emails from people saying, like, this is so helpful. Thank you very much. Like, it's good to see that the medical students are stepping up to help in any way that they can.
I think that's kind of the goal for all of us, is just to give these children kind of some semblance of normal life still while mom and dad are out on the front line.